Hi, in today's video, we will look at two methods of replacing styles in Microsoft Word. Let's get started with the first method, the Styles pane. To begin, place your cursor on a text in your document that has the style you wish to replace. Then, expand the Styles pane from the ribbon in the Home tab with the small icon in the lower right corner of the group. The name of the selected text style is highlighted with a blue border in the Styles pane. Right-click the style's name and choose the Select All option. Now, all text with this style is selected in the document. All you have to do now is to choose another style from the Styles pane. This will update the highlighted text to the selection from the list. Now, all of your previously highlighted text is in the correct style. This is a good solution for simple tasks. However, solving complex conversion requirements take a lot of time this way. Navigating the Styles pane can also be tedious. Also, the conversion preferences cannot be saved and later repeated on another document. Additionally, Word has the tendency to freeze or miss text parts when replacing styles. Let's see method number 2, the OnStyle add-in. After installing it, an OnStyle tab will appear on the ribbon. Open it and in the Tools group find the Text menu. From the list, launch the Convert Style tool. To convert styles with this solution, we need to define rules. This allows us to create complex conversions. Let's take a look at how OnStyle solves a difficult but common issue, which would be tedious with legacy methods. We want to convert this not numbered heading text to a numbered heading text. This would, however, conflict with all existing numbered heading ones. To solve this, we need to convert all existing heading 1s to 2s, which also means all heading 2s need to be converted to 3s. To put it in simple terms, we need to shift every heading one level down. Let's look at the Convert Style tool. We've already defined the first two substitution rules and are just creating the third. On the left, we choose heading 2, and on the right, we select heading 3. After clicking the Add Rule button, we can launch the conversion. We are done with the process. Our previously not numbered heading is now numbered. The heading 1s became heading 2s, and so forth. The Convert Style tool also lets you save or even export and import your rule presets, so you can save a tremendous amount of time. OnStyle is the safe, accessible, reliable, and fast alternative to slow and complicated legacy methods. Visit the website through the link in the video description and try OnStyle for free now. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.